So what is One Health? It's an approach, a holistic approach, to look at every possible element that factors into the health of every living thing, and inclusive of the basics of healthy air, healthy water, and healthy soil. It is recognizing that the health of every living creature is impacted by the health of all other creatures. In any particular system, we can not only focus on one host, one pathogen, one contaminant or issue. We must focus on all of the factors at play within that system, living and non-living. The classic One Health triad is centered on the linking of human, animal, and environmental health, where we lump plants in with environmental health. But here at UT, we separate plants out because of our expertise here at UT. We have research, education, and outreach devoted to raising healthy crops, to feeding the world, to helping organic farmers, to battling invasive species, and to managing healthy forests. Healthy plants mean healthy environments, food for animals, and food for people. So what are some One Health issues? Well, there are many, including loss of biodiversity, invasive species, contaminants, food insecurity, changing climate, and of course, infectious agents, many of which are zoonotic, meaning that they can be passed from animals to humans. So earlier this year, we had the Australian bushfires, and beyond the loss of life, we dealt with the loss of species and diminishing air quality. Now, I was in New Zealand at that time, and I could see and smell the smoke in the air from the Australian fires as far south as the southernmost tip of South Island, New Zealand. Globally, we are watching a One Health drama play out as epidemiologists, medical doctors, veterinarians, research scientists, field biologists, communication experts, economists, political analysts, engineers, and so many others battle this newly emerging coronavirus. And we are learning how complicated this process can be. Indeed, we have had many One Health headliners here in Tennessee, including avian influenza, La Crosse virus encephalitis, the Kingston coal ash spill, and of course, we are dealing with substance abuse and food insecurity, two issues that are impacting many Tennesseans every single day. Along with coronavirus, two current headliners are especially concerning, including chronic wasting disease and the invading longhorn tick. These are major issues that are not going away anytime soon and are going to have severe economic impacts on our state. So wouldn't it be great to be able to avoid these headliners, or at least be prepared for them when they do hit? That's the foundation of the UT One Health initiative. It's a roof under which we can interconnect and be prepared. So why UT? Well, because of you. With expertise in public health, veterinary and human medicine, law, policy, economics, communication, engineering, architecture, art, social work, and so many more. Plus, we have 10 research and education centers that can serve as sites for One Health research, and we have I-40 and I-75 travel corridors where chemicals, pathogens, and invasive species can be transported. But there are other things as well. We are a biodiversity hotspot for the world. Salamanders, mussels, darters, these are treasures that we must protect. We have species like this red-cheeked salamander that are found nowhere else in the world. We also have Nimbus, composed of experts who are already modeling disease systems, such as those dealing with Zika virus, toxoplasmosis, chytrid fungi, ranavirus. And just down the road, we have the Oak Ridge National Laboratory with the world's largest supercomputer, Summit, capable of handling large data sets that go along with these types of studies. And you might say, okay, that's fine. What will the One Health initiative do? Well, we will build upon the existing expertise. We will provide seed grant funding and form working groups to develop competitive One Health proposals. We will host seminar series and develop outreach programs and offer training via a One Health minor, as well as continuing education and K through 12 programs. We will do this through dedicated operational funding, as well as extramural support through grant proposal submissions. We will maintain communication flow amongst the leadership team, advisory group, and core research units, as well as to external and internal partners. So are you still wondering if you can be involved? The answer is yes. We need experts in all disciplines to tackle these complex issues. Thus, we invite expertise from within UT and also from industry, NGOs, state and federal governments, and others. Focusing on Tennessee is important, but we need to remember that One Health issues do not recognize borders, no matter how hard we try to get them to do just that. But because of that, we know that what we discover about One Health in Tennessee can be applied elsewhere, reaching globally. Ultimately, after 3 years, we will evolve into a recognized center that will continue to conduct research, train, and provide outreach, and continue to grow, becoming a globally recognized premier One Health center, serving Tennessee and the world. This is One UT, and this is One Health.